Hello, good afternoon. My name is Maximiliano Guerrero Martinez, and I'm recording this video to talk about one of the topics that we saw in the forums during this unit at English class. And well, I decided to talk about backhoe loaders. I choose this topic because I have always had an admiration for backhoe loaders since I was a little boy. I don't remember exactly how I started to love these machines, but I'm pretty sure that all began when I watched a video or a TV show when some of these machines appears. Well, I don't know exactly, but I know that my love started for one of these reasons. And well, I like these machines because they are very popular or common in nowadays. For example, they are very popular in mining, and also they are very popular in engineering. So we can say that are very popular in general. I choose this topic because I have a story that I love with all my heart, and I'm going to explain it. I don't remember exactly the date, but I remember that my parents gave me a small caterpillar backhoe loader. I was very excited. I was very happy. I love it, and I remember that I cared this toy for many, many, many years. I don't know where is this toy in nowadays, but I can say that this toy was with me 5, 6 years with me. I don't remember exactly, but yes, I cared a lot of this toy, and well, my parents knew that I loved these machines when I was a little boy, so they gave me this toy as a gift. I don't remember that they gave me for Christmas or for my birthday, but I remember that they gave me this toy, and I was so happy. And until and today, right now, at my 19 years old, I'm still being a huge fan of these machines. Besides, I don't know how these machines works.